and we do have our creator spotlight. Their name is Sindy Akpolo.
Yeah, so hi guys, good morning. It's been long I had a vlog here on my channel. I just want to do like a mini vlog day in my life. So hi guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Sindy Akpolo. Good to have you here. It's so nice to meet you. I know it's been long I uploaded or posted videos on my channel. Guys, we've been struggling, like there is no light in my apartment. Like, it's crazy. For over a week now we've not had lights. I don't want to go into the details, but anyways, I have a couple of things I want to do today. I have to film regardless that there is no light. I have loads of videos on my phone. I've edited one, I haven't, and I've not been able to edit the others. I've transferred English. I've transferred it to my laptop, so it just left for me to upload it, and there is no light. Let's just see how it goes. If this one will be up before the makeup video. Anyway, and I have a couple of videos to film to put up on my channel because I'm way behind schedule. I can't believe I've not been able to post videos for one freaking week. I have to braid my hair to look like somebody. But anyways guys, it's currently raining, and I don't know, it's been raining the whole of September. Like, today is Wednesday. I feel like Sunday, Monday and Wednesdays are rain days, or are rainy days in September, because I don't understand why is now like a thing, and it's just crazy. This video might be like a short video, a YouTube short video, or a long form, I don't know. I have to save my battery life because I have a YouTube event planned up today, and it's online, it's virtual, so I have to attend that one as well. Don't worry guys, guess who got a creator spotlight? Hey yoga, I got creator spotlight for YouTube shorts. I got selected for creator spotlight for YouTube shorts. There's an ongoing YouTube short summit, and I got selected as creator spotlight, or I got selected for creator spotlight. Very typical. Like, where the hell is it raining? Guys, look at the weather. Like, a couple of seconds ago it stopped raining, and now it just began, and the weather is not promising at all. Okay, are you okay? All right guys. So I just finished filming, and this is a look. I don't know if the tutorial would go up first before this vlog, but this video is basically like, I'm gonna split it into two parts, but it's going to be just one video. It's going to going as long form video and short form video. That way I still have content on my channel. It's been raining non-stop since morning, and I can't go out to get something to eat. It's not easy getting this, standing this tripod on the bed. And guys, literally, as you can see, I'm on my bed. So I'm just gonna wait for the login time. A typical day is for me here is after filming, if there's light, I would edit the video right immediately and send it, transfer it to my laptop, ready for upload. I usually upload my videos at night. I feel like the internet speed is faster, and that just gives me room to bulk edit other videos. I let it upload at night while I sleep, and by the morning is all uploaded during the day, because during the day is when I use the opportunity or use the time to film. I think I have other things to do while I wait for the login time. The time is 4 o'clock. Is it 4? Either 4:30, either 4 or 5, I think. I have another session. I have a briefing session earlier than that. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna check my calendar to check in for the briefing. And I think it's just going over to navigate how to come up on stage. I just want to thank God and also thank my friendy, my darling Clevy. Clevy is an amazing person. In fact, Clevy gave me a couple of video suggestions regarding this, and it's amazing because normally I in fact, in my head, I didn't have anything I want to do. I want to film, but obviously I was gonna wear makeup and I was gonna do like a makeup tutorial and also do like behind the scene of me filming the makeup video. But other than that, I'm just gonna also incorporate any other thing that needs to be added to this. Guys, you guys don't watch my videos. You guys don't watch my videos. Why? What did I do? I'm begging you guys to watch my videos. Please now, please, I beg you guys should watch the videos. After stressing to edit the video, to film the video, filming the video number one, because sometimes the stress in filming video is not easy. It's not easy filming video, especially with makeup tutorials, because sometimes I sit to film a particular makeup video approximately 2 hours because it can be tedious, and then editing the video, another work, uploading, another work, because sometimes when the internet is poor, it can be crazy. And after uploading, you guys do not watch. Why? Did I offend you guys? I beg now, I'm kneeling down. Oh yeah, please people should watch my video. People should watch my video so that my target for September, I've not hit my target for September yet, and I'm counting on a couple of things to hit my target. So guys, please help me hit my targets. I'm not close to 4,000 subscribers yet, and my target was to get 4,000 subscribers in September. Guys, please make this possible by watching my videos, sharing my videos to those that will need makeup content. Who doesn't need makeup content? I mean, who doesn't want to watch makeup? A lot of people these days, they do makeup. In fact, makeup is now generalized to the point where a lot of people want to wear makeup. At least, even if you don't want to wear makeup every day, but at least once in a while, you go to church, you go to party, you go to events, you want to wear makeup. So guys, share my videos to those that will find it interesting or would want to watch, because it's not easy creating makeup content, and I know other videos or other things or other content is not easy as well, but I should watch my videos. Thank you. And I just hope this makeup does not, anyways, one thing I like about the makeups like this is the fact that with this type of makeup, I don't tend to produce all during the day as much as I would when I don't wear makeup like this.
Hey guys.
I'm the event coordinator here at YouTube, but I'll just pass it over.
Whoa. So guys, I just joined the first one for Creator Spotlight. So we went through how to navigate it on the app and all. I have to change into something a bit more comfortable because I'm going out, stepping out, and it's raining. So let me look like this because I am ready to wear my dress. All right, let's go. Like why? It's actually not heavy. Oh, you don't want to risk it, you don't want to jinx it, but it's drizzling or showering, however the English is, and I'm outside. I feel like my makeup looks really good in outside than it does indoors because now the light is hitting and
It's on desktop.
Stage of today's session of our Shorts Community Summit. Happy to be here. It's Arun from Mr. Who's the Boss. Without further ado, I wanted to welcome Arun. Would you like to introduce us?
Hey everybody, lovely to see you today. So I'll give you a super quick summary of myself as it pertains to shorts. So I've been making tech videos for almost half my life now. Is it who is your audience? The countries people are from, other channels they watch, ages, gender, everything. My main channel. So and also like the subscriber count is right.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. And
It doesn't feel like, oh, now he's getting paid. We're going to be looking at from Vian, and then we will have a summit spotlight. If you clicked that PSAT that we shared the previous time and you signed up to be a spotlight, you could be coming onto the stage. And then after that, we'll open up for questions and answers. So please make sure you click on that link. If it is not clickable while you're using your phone, maybe save it for later and try and get it later on when you're not online up so that you can be our featured creator spotlight. And we do have a creator spotlight. Their name is Sindy Akpolo. Sindy, are you here? I'm checking behind the scenes to see if I can see you. If this is your link. So Sindy, please say something. I've seen you in the chat. Cindy
okay.
should be coming through.
Yeah.
Let's
my
give
God.
Cindy a few seconds. There we go. Yay. Welcome, Cindy.
It's quite dark where I am. There's no light. Pardon me.
Why are you in the dark, Cindy, when you know that you are a spotlight creator?
Nigeria happened.
Wow, don't worry. Cindy, please can you quickly just introduce yourself? Say hi to everybody.
Hello everyone, I'm Sindy Akpolo. I'm a beauty content creator here on YouTube. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria.
For a moment there, I actually thought you were based in London.
I get that a lot.
Awesome. Well, congratulations, Cindy. Everybody's so happy for you in the chat box. So what brings you to our summit spotlight?
Thank you so much. Once again, I'm honored to be part of the spotlight. Creator Spotlight is amazing. Whenever I don't have content for my long form content, shorts is always go-to for me to keep up with the consistency. I always think my short form audience the exact same way I think my long form audience. Especially when it comes to creating content, always think your audience as human beings, because you're not just creating for the platform. You are also an audience, because you go to the platform to consume content as well. So think your audience as human, and don't stress yourself. It's gonna be okay.
All right, Sindy. So thank you so much for joining us in our Creator Summit Spotlight. Do you have any question maybe for Vian, please?
Perfect. How are you, Sindy?
Fine, thank you. Good.
Thank you, Sindy, so much. We'll be seeing you in Nigeria in October.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Right.
Sindy.
Thank you so much once again.
I'll subscribe as well now, Sindy.
Yay! Amazing.
Okay, guys, see, it's not easy because one, Nigeria happened immediately. I came on stage. See, everywhere is so dark. In fact, when I came on stage, it was really dark because there was no light, and there was no light. There was nothing to power it up. My laptop too. For some reason, my laptop screen was not giving me that much light. I don't know why. And I was using my laptop. Anyways, it was a wrap. It's a wrap, and in Nigeria. And Nigeria happened, especially for those that lights, they don't take light in their place. Anyways, where I am, they take lights where I am, and we don't have lights. It is an amazing experience being selected for Creator Spotlight on YouTube. That's amazing. In fact, guys, look at my makeup. I had to reapply some lipstick and powder over here on my makeup because I took this makeup under the rain, or I went under the rain with this makeup. Or how is English again? The English is not coming right, but you guys understand what I mean. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because there's no light, one, and or I'm gonna end this right here because there's no light and there's nothing to capture again. Now, you mean there's lights, then I would have captured any other part or something else that is gonna happen. But right now, I'm going to wrap it here. So thank you guys for always supporting. And Clevy is a darling. In fact, Clevy is this orchestrator of this vlog. Like, she's the chief, how is it called, script, the chief idealist. She's the person behind the idea of this vlog. I just want to appreciate Clevy so much. In fact, the minute she heard about this, she was so excited, just the way I am. And yeah, so thank you guys once again for your love, constant love and support. I really do appreciate y'all. So let's just wrap it. And thank you everyone. Ow.